Hey everybody, it's Thursday night and it's Theme Thursday, and I have several babies here tonight. And this is Lena. She has on a little knit outfit with white booties, and the pants and the sweater are trimmed in blue. It's got blue flowers embroidered on it. And she's wearing a bracelet. And she has birds on her pacifier. And she's laying on a blanket that has purple and pink butterflies and elephants. And then we have Haley. She's laying on a pink blanket with pink and blue butterflies. She has a bow in her hair that's pink. And she has a white knitted sweater and pants on to match. And her little bunny. And her pink bracelet. And then we have my baby boy in a blanket with his bottle. He has a little yellow quilted blanket on with little hearts and polka dots. Sorry, it's going... There we go. It's getting a little blurry. So this is my Levi. He's wearing a sweater outfit, one piece. It's gray and white, and it has buttons down the front and a little knotted hat. He's so cute. And then we have Jada. Come on, focus. Jada is also in a blanket, a ballet princess with a ballet bear. Little pink bears all over. She has a bow in her hair. And her pacifier, or Binky, has a baby with a bow in her hair in a bassinet. And her outfit, she has on a little gray flowered shirt with a bow. Come on, focus. Okay. It's got big flowers, pink, yellow, and white flowers on it. And she has pink little pants on and her cute little booties. I think I'm about in the process of needing a new phone, people. That's when it's been acting up something terrible. So that's Jada. And then I want to share another couple of things. This is a Christmas dress I just made still got to cut the strings off. This is a sweater I just made. It's white. It's got a ribbon around it and bows, 3 bows with glitter. I think that turned out cute. And they kind of go together because the dress has the same glitter ribbon or bow. And then you can call this a bunny, but I like to call him Peter Rabbit. I think just about everybody calls him Peter Rabbit. My boys came over every Sunday. We have dinner every other Sunday. And my son had this, and he said he didn't know what he was going to do with it, so he brought it to give it to me. And I was tickled pink. He just set it on the table by my chair, and I was talking and turned my head and couldn't believe it. He's made out of straw, different colors, and styrofoam underneath. There's Peter Rabbit. He's got a little net for catching butterflies and a little pink flower. That's my Peter Rabbit. And this is the end of my video. I hope everybody has a great weekend and don't work too hard getting ready for Christmas. I just got my kids' Christmas shopping done today. So all I have left is a mother-in-law, and that's it. All right, everybody. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.